To get started on your paper water blossoms, you're going to just need a regular sheet of paper, and you are going to cut squares. These can be all different sizes. Then you are going to fold in half, and then fold in half the other direction, and one more time again in half. And when we cut this will make a symmetrical flower, meaning the same on both sides. Make sure you know where you folded to start. So my main fold was right here, and then I folded again and again, and I have my thumb on that and I'm holding it. Then you can make your petals. So I'm rounding my petals. And you can open up to see what it looks like. Perfect. Now you are ready to start coloring it. You can also make different designs and different shapes of flowers. So I'm going to show you another one. Do the same thing. Fold the paper in half. Fold again. And my thumb is on that middle point. Fold again. This time I want a little bit more elongated petals, so I'm going to start down here and make them a little bit more pointy. And then I can open it up. Perfect. And I can even layer my flowers too. So it'd be a really good idea to make another smaller one on the inside here too. Now I'm going to take my markers and start designing. And these are just going to be regular water-based Crayola markers. I want you guys to try to make as many as you can, big and small, and then when you have your flowers ready, the next step is to fold. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your petals and carefully fold them in. Now once you have folded them in, now it's time to start designing the outside of the flower too, because the outside of the petals also have colors or designs on them. So what you can do is you can turn that flower over and you can design the petals with markers as well. Now you can see I have colored the front and the back of my flowers. This is about how far you're going to be getting today. I want you to make as many flowers as you can because we're going to be putting them in water next time, and we're going to be seeing them blossom. So the more flowers you have, just like Monet's artwork, the more beautiful it's going to be. You are then going to put the smaller flowers carefully on the inside of your larger flowers. We're also going to be making some lily pads. You don't really have to fold these, but what we're going to do is take paper again, and you are going to cut almost like a circle shape or an oval out of the paper. And then you can make a little line like this, or even a little bit bigger like that for your lily pad, which your flowers can lay on, and we're going to color these in green. So the next step is to get a tub and fill it with a little bit of water. There's about an inch or two of water in there. And make sure you have your cameras ready because the next step is going to be really cool. Now the fun part begins. Take what you have created from last week. I'm going to start laying my lily pads down first in some water. And make sure they're folded, and you're just going to carefully place them on top of the water so they're floating, and just like that, it's going to open up. So cool. You can record it, and then you can send it to me too. Alright, once you guys are done, you can actually reuse these. So you're going to carefully take them out without ripping. And you're going to take this and put it on a paper towel so it can dry. So here they are laid out to dry. When they're completely dry, you can refold them and you can actually use this again.